Hi Horizon kids, this week's craft is about the houses built on rock and sand. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got a plate and I'm going to put this down on my paper and trace around it. So I've got one circle and then I'll do it again on another piece of paper. There we go. Now we're going to cut them out. There we go. 2 circles. And they're the same. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold one of our circles in half. And we're going to cut it in half. So now we have one circle and half a circle. I'm going to draw a house on this one. It's going to be a really nice house, and I think I might have some windows. I might make it red, I think. I think I'd like a red house. That'd be pretty cool. And I forgot the roof, but since I have so many different colours on my very colourful house, I might do a green roof. So there's my house, and now I'm going to draw something on the other side. So we'll flip it over. And here, we're going to draw some sand. And now, you should have sand on one side and a house on the other side. So put that over to the side and we'll look at the other circle now. So what I'm going to get you to do is fold this circle in half. Now there should be a little line here, and I'm just going to draw a little line in any colour along there so I know where it is. Like that. That just makes it a little bit easier to see. So, on the bottom half, I'm going to draw rocks. And on the top half, I'm going to draw a big messy house. It fell over. So there's one half with all my rocks on it, and now on the top half we're doing our big messy house. So I'm going to look at all the house I did before, and I used orange, yellow, red, green and blue. So my messy house is going to use all those colours again. Now look at that! That doesn't look like a very comfy house to live in, does it? That's alright, that's part of our story. So, what we're going to do now is put this on top of that. See how that looks like there's a house on a rock? So now we're going to get some sticky tape and stick along here. So there you go, that's our story about how God keeps us strong and safe and we can trust Him. But if we're not trusting Him, it can get a little bit messy.